Brittany, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a Coachella outfit from only using Dollar Tree items. Let's see if we can do it. So I already went shopping. So I bought a couple of these tote bags and I thought I could make a two-piece set, like a skirt and a top. My idea was to flip it inside out so you wouldn't see the print on the other side, but it did not work. Alright, time to put on our shirt. I began to struggle trying to put it on. I required some assistance, and that still did not work, unfortunately. But I have another idea. Bought a few of the bags, so I decided to cut the pieces that didn't have print and safety pin them to my side. Moving on, I started decorating my top, so I took some flower petals. I got like blue and purple. And then I began to arrange them in the color pattern I wanted them to be in. This is what it ended up looking like. And now what's next is to hot glue. And I don't want to touch it, so I'm just hammering it with a scissor because that stuff is hot. Okay, so I glued all my flowers together, and now for the next part. So I found this really pretty gym ribbon stuff, and I think it's gonna work really good. So look at this. Okay, so yes. Look how beautiful. It adds a nice razzle dazzle. Okay, so let me show you what the progress I've made. Look how pretty it is. It's real sparkly and it's gonna look so cute. And now I had an idea, like with the ribbon that's like so sparkly, we should like drip it down like that. Let's do it. I also left room underneath the petals so I could put little rhinestone keys that I cut underneath. So now I'm just gonna attach them. Look how the top turned out. Now it's time to make the skirt somehow. I'm gonna attempt to try and see if I can just put this and make it on the skirt and like, you know, just not care about the bag maybe, because I mean, it's cute, everything will be okay at Coachella. So let's see if I can put it on. Okay, here we go. It's not gonna work. I wound up deciding to make it the same way as I made the top and just do it with safety pins on the sides. And now I'm hot gluing some more petals, but I did this different because I used all like the green at the bottom because I didn't want it to be the exact same as the top. And then I decided to add the razzle dazzle ribbon. Just look how good that looks. Okay, I finished the skirt. Yes. Here's the outfit so far.
Moving on.
So next we have to work on our bag. So this is what I found.
We're gonna spice it up.
So I'm thinking we're gonna do this, and I'm thinking we're gonna connect the blinky bling blings again, and we're gonna do like that above the zipper. And then I got this scarf, and look! I think we're gonna like tie it on there, and I think it'll look really cute. So let's do it. Welcome to my bathroom. Okay, so now we need to do my hair. Let me show you what I got and what my idea is. So be right back. Here's my idea. I got one of these little succulent things. I think it's just to put in like your bouquets of flowers, but we're gonna put in our hair. Because like, you know, Coachella, like it's like a desert and like cactus. So it makes sense. So let's do it. Okay, let's brush my hair. And I think I want to go for for a high ponytail, but like with some wispies or something. This is not supposed to be perfect either. Okay, so we have a top ponytail. Now we have to get wispies. I'm just gonna look in the viewfinder so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, and then I wanted to add this, like maybe like stick it. Looks pretty good. What's the back in the back?
What the
is that? There. Now I get it behind it so you can't see the thing. I put it like in my hair. It's gonna stick it in there. There. So here it is, the final look. It's like I put a little succulent because it's a cactus. We're going to Coachella. It's like in the middle of the desert, so I think it's very fitting. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm onto something with this, honestly. I think I'm gonna wear it not even just for Coachella, but like I don't know, like in the summer. Because I think it's really cute. So let's put on the whole outfit. So let's go, let's go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram at BrieNoels with a Z. Bye! See you next time!